OnePlus is confirmed to launch the Ace 5 series in China on December 12. The lineup will include the Ace 5 and Ace 5 Pro. This is OnePlus Ace 5 first look in green color option. The OnePlus Ace 5 has a 6.78-inch BOE x 2.8T LTPO panel with a flat design and super slim bezels on all four sides. The screen will offer a 1.5K resolution and 120Hz refresh rate, and an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. The teaser confirms OnePlus Ace 5 Pro coming the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC, and OnePlus Ace 5 coming Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC. Both phones offer up to 24GB of RAM. The Ace 5 will be rebranded as the OnePlus 13R in the global markets. OnePlus Ace 5 have a 50-megapixel primary sensor, 8-megapixel ultra-wide and 2-megapixel triple camera setup on the back, 16-megapixel front camera. The OnePlus Ace 5 is said to pack a 6,415 mAh battery with 80W charging support. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.